Seriously. You can take advantage to the most exciting and lucrative opportunity in 2023. Are you tired of the daily grind, working long hours for minimal pay? Do you want to make $185 a day by working only a few hours with a brand new bot that no one is talking about? If so, you're in luck. In this video, I am going to show you how to make money online with GPT-3, a new bot that is even better than ChatGPT. By the end of this video, you'll have 4 different methods to make money online with GPT-3, and one of these methods made me $1,300 in just 6 to 7 days of work. Plus, the best part is that you can start your own online business in just a matter of seconds. Go to Google and type in OpenAI Playground. Then, click the first link. It's going to ask you to register. It's very easy, just sign up and create your account using your email, Google, or Microsoft account. You'll see GPT-3's interface. It has all ChatGPT's features and much more. GPT-3 will provide you with the latest information. And you can ask it any question, and it will answer it for you. The first way to make money with GPT-3. We're going to generate 100% unique and fresh articles from GPT-3. Keep watching because this is where you can make some serious money. To do this, go to listverse.com and click on Write and Get Paid. You'll get around $100 for every article you submit to this website. You can also submit your articles to SEOclerk.com, where you can earn up to $10 per article. All you have to do is ask GPT-3 to write an article of about 1,500 to 2,000 words and submit it to these websites. The second way to make money with GPT-3 is by finding affiliate offers to promote. Here's another reason to keep watching. This is where the big bucks are. You can use Store24, Amazon, ClickBank. Create an account and go to the affiliate marketplace. Choose an offer, grab the affiliate link, and promote it through social media, your blog, or any other platform. The third way to make money with GPT-3 is by creating chatbots. Keep watching because this is where you can start your own business. You can use GPT-3 to create chatbots for businesses and charge them for your services. All you have to do is ask GPT-3 to create a chatbot for a particular business, and you'll have a chatbot in just a few seconds. The fourth way to make money with GPT-3 is by creating your own business. You can use GPT-3 to generate content, create ads, and analyze data to help you start and run your own business. Here's why you should keep watching. This is where you can become your own boss and take control of your financial future. But wait, there's more. Here's the strategy that I used to make $1,300 in just 6 to 7 days of work. I created a chatbot for a small business and charged them $500 for my services. I also used GPT-3 to generate content for their website and social media. They were happy with my work, and they paid me $800 in total. So, there you have it. 4 different ways to make money online. The possibilities are endless with this bot. Don't miss out on this opportunity to earn $185 a day by working only a few hours. Sign up for GPT-3 today and start your own online business in just a matter of seconds. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with your friends. And don't forget to comment below. I'm here to help you. Thanks for watching.